to my channel. Today I will show you how to create this elegant knot bun. This hairstyle is perfect for any occasion, whether it's casual or a formal event. So let's get started. I'll begin by brushing my hair to remove any tangles. Next, I pack my hair into a high ponytail with a band, and I also ensure it's smooth. I'm using my Ecostyling Gel or hair gel, anyone you have, to smoothen and tame away any flyaways to give it that polished look that I want. I'll use my brush to smoothen it more. I'll use my Go-To-Be hairspray to hold it firmly, to hold the gel. My dryer for drying the gel. You can use your hair scarf if you have. Now, my extension. I'm using an extension with a band. See how I secure the band to the extension? I used one full Xpression, but it's divided into half, so you can use half of it to be enough for this hairstyle. I'm securing it now. I'm done. Now I'm tying it to my knot. I'm tying it to my ponytail, after which I'm going to wrap it opposite direction to start the knotting process. Make sure it's strong. Going round, this is the first knot. Please note that you have to knot under, not on top. So I'm knotting under. I've done the first knot, so I'm going in with the second knot under the first knot, so it wouldn't spoil the style. You can knot short, you can knot it long, depending on how you want, but I prefer my long because my extension is longer, and that's how I want it, moderate. This hairstyle is perfect for birthdays, if you have a wedding, for a dinner date, anything at all. It's good to go. You can also make your kids, baby girls, this hairstyle. Not babies actually, but at least 4, 5 years, 6 and above. Like slicking my hair with Ecostyling Gel, like slicking my edges with Ecostyling. So it's optional, you can choose to slick yours or you leave it, depending on your preference. And there you go. Isn't it beautiful? It's super quick and easy to do. So if you enjoy this tutorial video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments if you find this hairstyle and how it worked out for you. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.